was but this week that WWDC left us hanging on Siri, and you bring us some clarity.
That's exactly right. So they did not talk about Siri features pretty much at all at WWDC, other than to say they're still delayed and they'll be arriving in the coming year. So I looked into it, and the new launch timeframe is likely going to be as part of what will be known as iOS 26.4, and that's currently scheduled for the springtime next year, so around March, April. And this will deliver the delayed Siri features. These are the features key to an AI overhaul for the voice assistant that were announced back in June of 2024. So the three main features are the ability to tap into your personal data to fulfill Siri queries. So if I asked for a question such as, what was the video I sent Caroline last week? It would be able to pull up that video or a podcast or a song. If I wanted to get analysis of something on my screen using Siri, it could do that as well. And it has precise control of applications. So, for instance, I could say, pull up this photo of Caroline and edit it and send it to her, as well as a few other people in our group chat, right?
Yeah.
Those are impressive and big features, all delayed, now coming about 9 months from now.
I'm waiting for that photo, Mark. Put it on our group chat. But Mark, I'm also just remind us what the problem has been here. Why has it been so difficult to integrate with Siri?
Apple has been facing some serious engineering and management problems, but just to break it down and not to get too technical, essentially Apple had to split Siri into two brains, right? The first brain, the more basic one, has to do with features like setting alarms, phone calls, all the legacy stuff. Then they built a second brain more based on large language models at the core of modern AI for those more advanced features I talked about, right? But making one Siri that has two brains combined to do two different set of actions had compatibility problems in real world use. And I'm told it didn't work properly up to a third of the time, which is a lot based on how much usage these things are going to get. And so what Apple is doing now is rebuilding the underlying Siri architecture to have one brain based on that newer generation technology to handle everything. And that would eliminate the compatibility issues, but obviously is going to take more time to put together.